Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Michaela and this is the third installment in 12 days of cleaning, where I'm putting out a short motivational cleaning video for you every day for 12 days. I'm getting ready for Christmas personally, but if you are getting ready for company or getting ready for Christmas yourself or just needing some plain old cleaning motivation, I hope this helps you out a lot. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. I am obviously in my kids' room. It needed a thorough pick up, tidy up, and then cleaning under everything. I have done a deep clean in their room recently, and so it didn't need shampooed or anything. It just needed deep cleaned under everything and everything wiped down. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm also just taking the trash and broken toys and different stuff out of their room as needed as I see them. And so that's basically just the way that I declutter, is as I clean up their toys, I pull any out that need to be cleaned out. I hope you guys get tons of cleaning motivation from this series. It's honestly been kind of nice to do, just deep cleaning one area of my house each day and not getting overwhelmed with trying to do it all at once. And I hope that if that's what you're going for, is just not to get overwhelmed, that these videos help you out. I took a few of the larger toys out of my kids' room that I noticed they weren't playing with as much, and I'm not going to totally clean out their room before Christmas. I just like to see what they end up with after Christmas, and then kind of take what I need to out of their room that they're not using after that, and see if they get similar toys and whatnot. And so I'm just taking a few things out on this day, and then after Christmas I will be doing the majority of any decluttering of their toys that I need to do. So that kind of leads me to the question of, do you like to declutter your kids' toys? If you have kids who have toys, of course, do you like to declutter them before or after Christmas? Because it just it makes a difference if you do it before or after. So I'm just curious which one you guys do.
No, I don't want to waste my time. No, I don't want to waste my time.
I recently actually overhauled their room, and if you want to see how this closet is organized, I will have that video linked right here. Recently, and not in a video, I sprayed around my house for bugs, and so now I'm finding tons of bugs under everything, just coming in from under the walls since it's getting cold out. So everything always is needing vacuumed anymore. And plus I had winterized my kids' windows. I will put that video right here where I show how I'm winterizing my house. But I had a bunch of like little shavings of stuff on the floor still from doing that in their room. So that's what all that little white stuff is, and that's why the blinds are down. I'm putting together a little honey-do list for my husband to help me out with putting the blinds back up, putting a few more Christmas things up. But in the meantime here, I'm just going to be stripping my kids' bed and putting all of their bedding and all of their stuffed animals and everything into the wash. course, my kids forget about their room 90% of the time until I get in there, and so they were in there while I was in there making a mess as I was trying to clean up. It's okay, I just had to do a little extra cleanup.
I struggle to do right. Anyone lend me a hand? I can't stop these nightmares from eating me up.
Now I'm just going to be taking some disinfectant wipes and wiping down my son's bed and crib. And so I feel like dusting with these is kind of like an extra measure. It picks up all the dust really well, and it also cleans wherever I use it, of course. And I just feel really good about using these all over their room, especially. And right here is where my son always puts his sippy of milk when he goes to bed, and it was always pretty rough. And so after that, even though I use the disinfectant spray or the disinfectant wipe, I'm going to spray down their mattresses as well, especially on my daughter's bed where she has a mattress protector, but I just feel like it needs a little disinfectant every now and again. I probably do this once or twice a year. And I'm also going to be dusting her bed frame. Honestly, I don't even know when the last time was that I did this, and it kind of showed. That wipe was pretty rough by the end of it.
I don't know what to say now. Did we already cross the line? Possibly overrated. Haven't seen you around before. It's no surprise, but I just gotta give you up. No sacrifices now.
Ever since I did the winterizing the windows in my kids' room, I've noticed that this heater is basically no longer needed. I didn't realize quite how much air was leaking into those windows, but I was really happy to be able to put it up.
Guess it's the world we live in, making everything all messed up. It's no surprise, but I just gotta give you up. No sacrifice, but I just couldn't get enough. Couldn't stay on the high road anymore.
It is such a great feeling to be able to vacuum underneath my kids' beds without having to worry about any toys or stuffed animals getting sucked up accidentally.
Alright, let's give it one more try. Tell me, do you really think it's fine if I'm not being It's no surprise, but I just gotta give you up. These modern times, and I just couldn't get enough. It's no surprise, but I just gotta give you up. Just gotta give you up.
Now that all the actual cleaning is done, I just have a basket of my kids' clothes. I wash them separately from mine. And my son's clothes, whenever I overhauled this closet, his clothes basically went to a no fold system, all except for his socks. And I just keep my kids' socks all together because really it doesn't matter if he wears some purple socks on some days. They're just going to be inside of his shoes anyways. But I do have more boyish socks for him. Anyways, that's all I'm doing here is just folding things and putting them away from their load of clothes that I had done. And then I'm going to be putting away diapers and socks, of course, in these bins.
Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries. We'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever.
Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. I hope that you stay tuned to tomorrow's video where I'm just going to be going around and cleaning random things, but making sure that I do a deep clean. And these things were nasty. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden.